Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best folding e-bike battery in this video? I will show you the top 5 best folding e-bike battery to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Lafly X3 X5 JINGHMA R7 R5 battery. Specifications: capacity 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage 48 volts. Type lithium battery. BMS 20 amperes to 30 amperes. Safe for motors 0 to 1000 watts. Cycle life 800 to 1000 cycles. Warranty 1 year. Certification CE Row HS. Number 4 is Hailong Ebike battery. Specifications: brand name Cow MM. Capacity 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage 48 volts. Type lithium battery. Certification CE Row HS. Cell quality grade AAA. As the item number 3 we've selected, original Ebike battery. Specifications: brand name, Barstrom. Capacity, 21 to 30 Ah. Voltage, 48 volts. Type, lithium battery. Energy, 468 watt-hours. Battery cell, 18,600 2600 mAh. BMS, 25 amperes. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Number 2 is rear rack e-bike battery. Specifications: brand name, Unit Pack Power. Capacity, 21 to 30 Ah. Voltage, 48 volts, 52 volts. Type, lithium battery. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE Row HS. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Hailong Ebike battery. Specifications: brand name, Unit Pack Power. Capacity, 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage, 36 volts, 48 volts, 52 volts. Type, lithium battery. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE Row HS.